Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Royal Essence. It did take a while to get here since I live in the US and it ships from Australia, so I don't even really remember what I ordered. I know I ordered a variety of products and you guys said you'd like to see me unbox it, so here we go. I know I spent a lot of money and they said they were going to throw in some mystery items. I don't remember if I get one or two. I don't remember. So let's just go through it. And I apologize if you hear any noise in the background. Raylan's upstairs throwing stuff in her high chair, so you might hear loud noises in the background. I apologize for that. But this is Bath Crumbles, and this is the Milky Way one. I like their packaging, how they have like a lush like label. It shows you the person who packaged it, created it. So that's cute. Ooh, that smells fabulous. I'm guessing the ring's probably in the middle or down at the bottom. But I will do a ring reveal for each of these products individually on my channel, so stay tuned for that. You guys can vote down below in the comments if there's something you want to see first. I'll try to go in order of how you vote on that. This is their cookie dough ring whipped soap. I thought whipped soap sounded fun. I think a little bit leaked. It feels oily, but I think I could smell it. That is amazing. And it has, I don't know if these are real chocolate chips. Should I eat one? I probably should. It looks like real chocolate chips. It smells delicious. Very excited for that. Did I get two? I did. So this is another whipped soap. Candy Kisses. That smells fantastic. Can't quite place it, but it smells like something familiar. So excited to try those. And let's see what this is. Oh, so this, I think I got like a mystery bath bomb, it said. So there's no packaging. It's just like that. It's pink. It's got some yellow in it. Kind of smells like roses. I'm not sure if there's a ring in here. Probably not because it's small, but I'll throw it in the bathtub, film it just in case there's something in it. I'll tell you guys. Next, oh, super excited to try this. This is their body scrub. I got the lemon sugar. I'm gonna leave that package until I do the ring reveal, but I love lemon, and I like that they put it in a bag as opposed to a little tub. So very cool. Then, did I get candles? I really don't remember ordering candles. Huh. I thought, oh yes I did, duh. I don't think I ordered more bath bombs because I already have some of those, but I think I tried to order at least one of every other product they have. Yeah. So this, that's beautiful. Coconuts and banana. Two great scents. Just took a whiff of that. It smells pretty good. It's double wicked. Very thick containers. I like that they're short ones. I'm going to repurpose those. That'd be good for like a bathroom. And what did I pick as my other one? Cinnamon donut. Cute labels. And I think this is the last thing in the box, unless they buried anything for me. Nope. Okay. Okay, so I did get a bath bomb. This is coconut lime, green and white. Bet that smells good. So that is what I ordered. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products and a mystery bath bomb that probably doesn't have a ring in it, but once I throw that in the tub, I'll let you know. So if you guys want to see any of these ring reveals before the rest of them, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you want to see, and I will try to get that posted as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.